4, Miss Ariela Alma.
Hello, good evening, Queen Santa Tomas. This is my question for you. If you could ask one question to the future version of yourself, what would it be and how would you answer it? I repeat, if you could ask one question to the future version of yourself, what would it be and how would you answer it?
If I were to ask myself one question in the future, it would be, did we make it? Well, this journey for me is an exploration of myself and self-discovery. This is all about confidence. I gain my confidence and exploring new things, learn new skills. And I know that I did my best and I know that I've already won. Thank you.
Do you know who the province of Isabel was named after?
Oh my God. Tapos ka dyan.
I think let's ask ma'am to repeat the
What is the, yung huling
Province of Isabela was named after X person.
Oh.
Do you know who that person might be?
Queen Isabella.
Our province of Isabela is named after Queen Isabella, which she embodies beauty, elegance, and bravery. And I think that we Isabelians have that heart and spirit of a true Isabelina. Brave, elegance, and also confidence. Thank you.
Thank you, Queen Alicia.
May question lang?
Wow!
I like the suspense. Yes.
If you win, Queen Isabella,
Bakla.
how you represent Isabella the international pageant?
Madam, can we please repeat the question? Thank you.
If you win, Queen Isabella, how you would represent Isabella in the international pageant?
Kung ikaw magiging Isabella.
Isabella is full of dreams and inspiration, and it deserves a queen that has the determination to promote Isabella at its best. And a quality that a Queen Isabella should have is that determination that wherever she is always finding ways to find a betterment for Isabelinos and Isabella in general. Really, etang nga na ta Isabella. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Queen. Next,
Today, especially San Mateonians and all the people who's here to support us, all girls. Thank you for your unwavering support and we really appreciate your gesture.
mukhang ready na si Queen San Mateo. Please meet your judge.
Kailan ka natapos mo? Pinito sa Lubet? Ay, tumawin.
At tumawin dito tayo.
Yung saan tumawin nga dyan?
Dati sa Makina.
Alright, your judge will be Mr. Christian Joshua Villones.
Good evening, Queen number 3. You're one step closer to the crowd, and this is your question. A queen of Isabella is a woman of purpose. What is your purpose, and how would you use that to help your community?
The community.
Again, a queen of Isabella is a woman of purpose. What is your purpose and how would you use that to help your community?
As an advocate for youth empowerment through education, I believe that education is the fundamental right that everyone should have access to. And I believe that education is the key to empowerment. And I believe that that is my purpose. It is to educate everyone, to educate what is happening, especially here in Isabela. And I believe that if we work together hand in hand as champions of change, for when we educate a child, we empower a generation. Thank you very much.
May nauli pa na eh. Lola.
What is the blessing that you have acquired from Isabela?
As someone who is passionate and dreaming about making a positive impact, the blessings that I have here in Isabela is not just about the beauty of Isabela itself, but the people, the genuine and warm Isabelinos. And because in the end, I stand here tonight as a reflection of hope and unity for every Isabelino can thrive. Because if we uplift others, we elevate the humanity as a whole. And I think that is the greatest blessings that I have. Thank you.
Millennials address the issue of economic empowerment of women or Isabelans.
I believe I can help my community to empower my co-women in this community. We believe that every woman deserves to be empowered because we women can stand out in our own. As a Philippine, I can use my platform to collaborate with governments to empower every woman to give respect, love, and empower them. Thank you.
Kurang.
Binabaliktad na lang. Wala na. Hindi siya masyado. Oo.
One for you.
I'm feeling happy right now.
Here's your
You're
question.
feeling happy or
Are the youth
right now?
of this generation more pressured to perform than the youth of previous generation? I will repeat. Are the youth of this generation more pressured to perform than the youth of previous generation?
For me, I do believe that the youth of today are not pressured in every challenges than the other generations because we have the courage inside us. Like me, I am an Isabelina and I have the courage within me that I don't let the fear control me and I am here standing in front of you overcoming my fears because having courage doesn't mean you don't fear. Having courage means you don't let that fear ruin you. And I know that I am here standing in front of you and I am ready to conquer the stage and I will spread my wings and soar higher. Thank you. We have
Wala.
How are you?
Office as President of the United States. What if you are given a chance to be part of a Philippine delegation and given a moment to speak with him? What one thing would you tell him proudly so that you will pick his interest and include the province of Isabela in his next Philippine visit or send a delegation?
Pagkatid po.
If you're given a chance to speak with him, what would be the question you're going to ask with him in order
All right.
to
The question is, or the statement and the question. As you know, President Donald Trump was just inducted into office
question na
as President of the United States. What if you are given a chance to be part of a Philippine delegation and given a moment to speak with him? What one thing would you proudly tell him to pick his interest to include the province of Isabela in his next visit or send a delegation to the province?
If I would be given a chance to speak in front of that delegation, I would speak up how beautiful Isabela is. We don't just have beautiful tourist spots or beautiful places. We also have beautiful people who are really resilient and hardworking. That's why right now, I am proud to say that I belong to a community that thrives in unity and purpose, my province of Isabela. Good evening, sir.
How are you doing tonight?
I feel grateful and I'm very happy and I'm excited.
Great. This is my question. What is your best experience that you can share to your co-candidates after this evening's affair? And in having said that, what can you advise the future beauty queens, the best aspirations to empower your advocacies and joining this pageant?
Sir, can you repeat the question po?
Okay, let's make it simple. What is your best experience you can share to your fellow candidates tonight and in future aspiring beauty queens?
Thank you for the question. I've been joining pageants since high school, and I think the best experience that I can share to my co-candidates is that there is nothing wrong with failure, because failure gives us the best experience that we can have, and failure gives us a lesson in life. And I believe that it can empower women, and it can empower all the Isabelinos to join beauty pageants, because beauty pageants have no limits, and we can always have our rights. And we can always share our purpose and commitment. Thank you.
Of anyone in the world, whom would you want as a dinner guest? And what would you discuss with her or with him?
Can you repeat the question?
Given the choice of anyone in the world, whom would you want as a dinner guest? And what would you discuss with him or her?
If I would choose someone to be
Panalo na ang kawayan.
Cordon ang mananalo.
San Mateo.
my father.
San Mateo.
If given the chance, I want to have dinner with him and discuss.
Thank you, Queen, the city of Philippines. Wow! Amazing! 10 Queens of Isabela River.
Wala, I mean, palakpakan natin sila, our queens